the imaginary corporation Next Innovation. My name is Alessia. Hearing what innovation, what comes to your mind first? Innovation is an application of better solutions to meet new requirements. Kind of breakthrough, right? But I can prove that some kinds of innovations can change our life to 180 degrees. The company that attracts people all over the world, Next Innovation. The company that does worry about you. So let's conduct a little tour around our company. Some booklets are given out for you, so you will be able to find some additional information on my topic. We've all heard the buzz surrounding 3D printing, or some call it thought of three-dimensional revolution. But what exactly is 3D printing, and how big is the impact it will have on our future? The concept is quite simple. Much like your printer prints ink on a paper, 3D printers split out material, whether it is plastic, metal, or even concrete. But instead of printing one layer as ink from a normal printer does, multiple layers are stacked one upon each other to form a three-dimensional object. Think of it like making sliced bread, but in reverse. After putting one layer down, you put the other one on the top of that, and so on until the whole loaf of bread is put together. Also brought something that you can no longer buy. Great to download the design online and just 3D print it out. If you have a specific or original birthday present idea and can't find it, you just can't print it. Speaking of design, 3D printing is made especially on demand to fit your requirements. It not only means furniture, shoes, and other applications to fit your own lifestyle. Things like prosthetic limbs can have completely customized user design instead of using generic mass-produced products. Need something small or intricate? Typical 3D printers print layers 100 micrometers thick. But some high-end machines can print 16 micrometers small. It has opened the door to use molecules as ink. Hungry, in future you will be able to ask for a 3D printed meal perfected for a parrot. But perhaps the most significant application is creating 3D printed structures out of living cells or bio-ink. Instead of using plastic or metal, we just can use 3D printing to replace damaged skin or even entire organs from scratch. Instead of needing an organ donor, you just print one based on your genetics. Amazingly, this technology has already been developed, and though this may years from being functional, sooner it will certainly has a huge impact to medical community. So while it may be a while you end up with a 3D printer at your home, but by the time it happens, the world will be a different place. So what is the secret of a success? The products made by 3D printers are unreal, but we sell our 3D printer, nothing more. And you are able to make a lot of things and a lot of copies. And you won't be afraid that the product will be sold out, because it doesn't even exist. So, our tour has come to the end, and if you have any questions, I would be happy to answer them. Thank you for your attention.
Do you know that there is do you know that you can create even a weapon with 3D print? What do you think about it?
I think that every invention has advantages and disadvantages. Of course, I have heard that a weapon was created and invented and it works, but I think that no inventions could be without disadvantages.
Aren't you afraid?
If I was afraid, I should be afraid of everything.
How much does the cheapest 3D printer cost?
The cheapest 3D printer is nearly 60,000 rubles, as I heard. Thank you.
Do you know about some 3D printers going to launch to space orbit for creating low-cost satellite?
I haven't heard about it, but I think it wouldn't be in the near future, because it is only a building tries to be built with using 3D printers, but so it takes a little bit more time to create a satellite or something like that.
Let's imagine that you have a 3D printer. What is the first thing that you will print?
Actually, I don't know what would I print first, because everything I want I have, but print things like money is illegal, and I can't print time, the things that I need most.
In your opinion, is that really tasty or not?
Printed food? Why not? I think it is, if it is printed, it doesn't mean that it will taste bad.
Are there any 3D printers in Russia?
I have heard that people use it quite often. So it is not low cost, but people try to buy and try to use up-to-date technologies.